freelancing platform and the best place for online earning. You can work remotely from any part of the world. According to research, clients spent $8.5 billion on Upwork in 2023, helping freelancers earn money. This trend has been going on for many years. In order to win jobs and make more money, you need to know how Upwork works. In this video, we will cover 1. How Upwork works. 1. The 3 most important things. 1. What to do and not to do. People who come to Upwork and post their jobs are called clients, and those who apply and complete these jobs are called freelancers. Now let's talk about the biggest job categories on Upwork. 1. Web designing. 2. Web+Mobile Development. 3. Graphic designing. These categories are highly demanded on Upwork and have a lot of competition. Let's also discuss some easy skills that don't require extensive learning or courses. 1. Data entry. 2. Lead generation. 3. Copywriting. 1. Virtual assistant. Once you have selected your skills, create an account, and then it's time to apply. Choose jobs that you are confident you can complete well, because a bad review from a client can harm your profile. Create a good and impressive cover letter. I have explained in detail in a previous video how you can create a cover letter, so please watch that video. When you apply for a job, clients look at certain things on your profile. 1. Name. 2. Profile title. 3. Location. 1. Photo. Hint: use a smiling photo, not a crying one. 2. Rating. 3. Reviews. 1. JSS plus badge. 2. Total earnings. 3. First 2 lines of cover letter. Clients take note of these things before selecting a freelancer. Now let's talk about reviews. They range from 0 to 10 stars, with 0 being very bad and 10 being excellent. When you submit your work, the client will approve it and provide you with reviews and feedback. Both of these increase your JSS. JSS stands for Job Success Score. It is calculated every 2 weeks, so work hard and satisfy clients with your work to increase your JSS and have better chances of getting new jobs. I hope you now understand how Upwork works. So, let's start earning dollars without wasting any more time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with a new video on online earning. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.
Yeah!